Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to Dior. I have to add a stud button to my Dior bar jacket that I have recently purchased, and I want to check out a couple of the items that I really like. And also I'm going to Vivier to buy a new pair of shoes that I need for work, and at the end of this video I will unbox it, so please stay tuned. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and let me know if you have any questions. What do you guys think about the Dior matte bags? Do you think they are durable? I do like the aesthetics, I think they're really pretty. The only thing is, I'm not sure if the paint will come out from the charms and from the bottom legs of the bag. I will have a look at them later and show them to you. I saw the shoes and I think they're really cool. While I prefer high heels, I still think these ones are really adorable and they will look great with many of my outfits, with some of my jeans and some of my dresses as well. What do you guys think about them? Would you consider getting them? My essay brought to me all the Lady Dior bags that I wanted to check out. The first one is this iridescent pink. It's so beautiful. I really like it. It's quite heavy though. I think the medium size is a little bit heavy. I will show to you guys later how it looks on me. What do you think about this color? I like the fact that this design is very timeless. It's not gonna get discontinued, which is the most important thing, because I already made quite a few mistakes in the past when I would buy something from Chanel and the design would get discontinued and the value of the bag just goes down. That's why I prefer to stick with the classic bags and not to be super adventurous with some unique designs. This color is gorgeous, I really like it. And the black one as well, I did feature it in some of my videos previously. I will link down below all the Dior related videos in the description box. I think this size is really good for work. It can fit quite a lot, and I do like the way it looks with my white jacket. It's really cute. I actually don't have any white bags, so this one could be a nice contender for my collection. I think the white color is so classic and so beautiful. I really want to add it to my collection. It's just I'm a little bit afraid to purchase it because I live in Singapore and we have a humidity here, so I'm worried that the bag will turn yellow in a while, even though I do have a dehumidifier and I try to use my bags quite often. Some of you guys actually ask me a lot about how I store my bags. Maybe in the future I could record a video about it. But the white bag is something that I've never had and I'm still a bit hesitant about the color. Maybe I'll change my mind. And here is the black one, which is so adorable. I do like it a lot. And I think this bag would look great with the black suit. I tried it before with the Dior bar jacket and black trousers. I do like the look quite a lot. This is the bag that I'm also adding to my wish list. It's so pretty. The only thing is that these bags actually can get scratched at the bottom. I noticed that the bottom legs of this exact bags were already scratched, and can you imagine, this bag is brand new. So I'm a bit worried that this might happen to the bag after I purchase it. Perhaps I should consider getting it in the classic style with light gold hardware or yellow gold. What do you guys think about it? And by the way, which size do you prefer? So this one is in a size small. And by the way, you can actually find a matching belt for your bag, which is so cool. I really love it. I do like to match the accessories. By the way, I have recently purchased this belt in the black and gold combination, which is my favorite, and I wear it so often. It's one of my favorite belts. I highly recommend it. So, between these two colors, which one would you go for? It's a tough one. I do like them both actually. And I'm also considering getting a new Chanel classic flap in a small size in a purple color, which is so gorgeous. That's probably the only reason I haven't pulled the trigger with the Lady Dior. By the way, here is comparing with my medium classic flap in Tiffany blue. You can see the sizes. Of course, the Lady Dior can definitely fit in a lot more items, but I have to say it's heavier as well. So yeah, I have to think about them. I'm just very curious, what brand do you prefer, Chanel or Dior? Please let me know in the comment section below. I'm actually very curious to see what you're gonna say. As for me, I do like both. Chanel is my all-time favorite brand that I adore for the past, 14 years. And Dior is kind of new for me. I'm falling in love with it. But yeah, I'm still a bit hesitant with certain products just because I haven't bought them before. I don't know about the quality. And I think that's why I actually haven't pulled the trigger on that Lady Dior bag. This is what's stopping me. But the more I see it, the more I fall in love with it, the more I can see myself wearing it with more of the outfits that I own. I guess it takes time to get used to the new brand. By the way, guys, what do you think about this bag? I really like the size. Mini size is really cool. I think I would like to collect all of them in 3 different sizes: medium, mini, and small as well. But if you have a Lady Dior bag, please let me know which size do you recommend to get first, which size do you think would be the most useful for me given my routine, mostly going to office and going out during weekends. So just curious to see what you're gonna say. This bag is very beautiful. I like the design and I love the strap. I think it's so unique and gorgeous. But I think my first Dior bag should be in a plain color, maybe black or maybe white. I have to think about it. But this is a nice color combination. Very bright. And it would look great with many outfits, I suppose. Do you guys find this thick strap comfortable? I feel like it's falling off my shoulder all the time. What do you guys think about it? Maybe I should consider getting thinner strap. And this bag is so unique. I really love this design. How stunning is this item? I think it's a collector's piece. It's so special. And this one is really nice too. I think it's a snake skin. I think it's quite durable. And the saddle bag, again. I find this design very unique and edgy, but I just don't feel like it's my style. I also want to try it in the white color to show you guys. Well, the white bag is a bit bigger, but I think the bigger size looks better on me. But yeah, I still feel like it's not my style, although it looks nicer in the white color. I think I should just stick with Lady Dior. And this bag is really cute. I do have a Chanel in exact the same color, in the mustard yellow color, which is gorgeous, and I do use that bag quite often. I never thought that this color will actually turn out to be my most used color, and it helps to brighten up any outfit. I have posted some pictures of my bag on my Instagram account. I do like this design a lot. I actually was really tempted to get this bag in a black color, but I'm trying to convince myself that I don't really need it. I already have about 7 or 8 bags in a black color with the yellow gold hardware, which is enough, I think. But this design is really pretty. What do you guys think about it? Would you buy this bag? And which color would you go for? And now I'm just gonna go to Roger Vivier to try on a few pairs of shoes, and I'll take you with me. I have to say that Roger Vivier is my most favorite brand for shoes because their shoes are so comfortable, and I tend to walk a lot. I tend to walk everywhere. I'm also gonna try these flats. I'm not a big fan of the flats, but I just want to show you how they look. I actually prefer to have heels that have a height of 5 to 7 centimeters. If the heel has 9 centimeters, I can still wear them, but not more than 9. I think if it's above 9 centimeters, I will find it extremely uncomfortable, especially that I walked so much and I tend to stand as well if I attend conferences and various events. I just want to feel comfortable. If the shoes are just pretty but extremely uncomfortable, I just can't bring myself to buy them because I know they will be just standing on my shelf, collecting the dust, and I will not be using them. I prefer to invest in, well, I don't like to use the word invest when it comes to purchases, but okay. I prefer to spend money on shoes that are from the good brands that have a good quality because I expect them to last me for many years and I want to make sure that they are always comfortable. And I'm considering getting this in white as well because I can match them with some of my outfits. I can match them with some of my bags as well. White color is very classic and it looks so good. These ones are in a lambskin and they are so soft. By the way, guys, if you are considering getting this in patent, I would recommend to go for a half a size higher. I find it a bit stiff and patent doesn't really stretch. Even over time, it doesn't really expand that much. While lambskin leather is a lot more softer, it just feels so much more luxurious and comfortable as well. What I like about Roger Vivier shoes is not just the comfort, but the fact that in Singapore, in the area where I work, I can walk in this and they don't get stuck in drains. Unlike of my Christian Louboutin shoes, they get stuck and get scuffed all the time. That's why I realized that I have to go for a slightly thicker heel so that I don't end up repairing them over and over again. I'm at home now and it's time to unbox and show you the pair that I bought. I'm very excited that I have them now and I can't wait to wear them, and I know that I will end up using them so often because the color is very classic and it would match a lot of my outfits because I really like the combination of black and white. This is so stunning and I just wanted to have any other color but the black. I already have them in different height and it's nice to have something refreshing, and I know that I will end up using this so often. So I'm quite pleased with my purchase. What do you guys think about the white color? Do you like it? This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on my Instagram channel as well. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!